Is being an electrician in Singapore well paid? The average electrician income in Singapore is around 51,400 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax. After tax, this drops to $39,200, which leaves you with a take-home pay of roughly $3,267 a month. If you're starting out, your electrician salary in Singapore will be well below this average figure, but your pay goes up quickly as you gain experience. Even so, your wages will eventually plateau unless you step up into supervision. Having a university degree is not necessary for entry-level electrician wages, but getting higher qualifications helps a lot because it allows you to move into better roles like site manager or electrical engineer. Employer size matters too, since small local firms pay the least, while large international companies bring home much higher salaries. On top of that, these bigger corporations offer better benefits, which is why many people want to work for them. So, how much does an electrician make in Singapore overall? It mostly depends on your skill level and where you work.